Hello my money friends, welcome back to the channel. Dunc here from Dunc's Money. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support, and thank you for all the liking and commenting on my previous videos. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dunc. I'm from Scotland. I'm an entrepreneur and then I'm an investor. I'm really interested in finance, and this is my YouTube channel where I will share stocks and shares sorts of tips, financial issues and other sort of money matters. I'll be posting videos here, so make sure to subscribe so that you get all my latest videos, and I hope that you will enjoy them. I started off in the world of finance about five years ago or so, and I understand that it can be quite confusing at first, but don't worry, you will get there. Keep watching the videos and watch other folk as well, and you'll learn lots more about finance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back. So obviously this week we've seen that the world economy is taking a bit of a battering with the current coronavirus pandemic, which is ongoing. If you don't know what coronavirus is or haven't heard about it, you've obviously been living under a rock. It seems to be dominating all the news at the moment. This week alone we've had Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett. They've sold off a lot of their interests in American airline firms just after I bought some shares in American Airlines. That's just the way my luck seems to go. But I'm not too fast, I'm happy with that, I'm fine. I'm for the long term anyway. So today I have bought some shares in Shell. They were trading at about £13 a share, and I've bought 6 shares for various reasons. I quite like to buy during a dip, and that's why I've bought these shares. Also today I see that Virgin Atlantic have announced that they're going to be cutting jobs as demand has completely dried up for flights. So right now you can see the markets are a bit volatile. We might see some more bear markets, and we'll see what happens. But what we can do is we can try and hopefully take advantage of any failing markets and try and buy during a dip. But please, I'd be interested in knowing how you're getting on, so let me know below in the comments what your plan is, what are your strategies, what are you buying in, what's your opinion, what do you think is going to happen. Now I've bought into Shell because obviously they're having a big dip at the moment, drop in their price due to the coronavirus pandemic. People aren't buying fuel because they're not travelling as much. And the second reason is obviously there's the big oil price fight, as we all know, going on at the moment. Oil prices have totally dropped, and I'm hoping to exploit and take advantage of the current drop in the price. I'll hold on to it for maybe a year, we'll see what happens. But no, I like Shell. They did slash their dividend as well, but they are a generally strong company. So I think once they come back to being back into the sort of strength as they were before, I think we could expect the dividend to return to normal. We'll have to wait and see. And that is the joy of investing, is you never really know what might happen. But as long as you invest for the long term, then generally speaking you should be safe. Now before we jump into the app and the footage, please guys remember, I am not a financial advisor. I just buy what I think will work for me. What I would suggest is if you're going to buy stocks and shares, is speak to a financial advisor and do your own research. Make sure you are happy yourself buying them. Don't just take what I'm saying and buy the shares. Do your own research, make sure you're happy. I'm happy, but make sure that you are before committing money to it. And like I always say, try using a practice demo account. The app I use, Trading 212, they've got a really good practice account you can use. Try it and see how you get on. So let's dive into the app. Hello everyone, welcome back into the Trading 212 app. Here with Dunc from Dunc's Money. So obviously what I'm going to do today is invest in some Shell shares. So I'll just type in here Shell. Okay, so obviously you've got Royal Dutch Shell Class A, Class B, London Stock Exchange. You'll see Class A Netherlands, but what I'm going to do today is I'm going to purchase shares in Class A, the London Stock Exchange. Now I've got various reasons that I am wanting to buy into Shell. Some of you might think this is absolutely crazy to do, but the reason I'm doing that is you'll see in this last week, on the 1st of May, that they were right down after announcing obviously that they're having struggles due to the current coronavirus lockdown, also with the oil price battle that's currently ongoing between Russia and the Middle East. So what I like to do is I like to buy into companies during, say, a bear market, or when things are kind of crashing or prices are falling, because I'm always hopeful that the price will come back up, and I like to make the most advantage of a sudden price drop. So what I'm going to do today is when you'll see that it's up by 80.8, I'm going to buy some shares in Royal Dutch Shell, but I've got £90 left over in my account on the app, so I think what I'm going to do is I might just go 5. What will I go for here? I think what I'll do is I'll just go for £681, so that'll leave me some money left over. Right, review the order. So that's Royal Dutch Shell, 6 shares, £81, no commission, and I'll buy that. So that's the buy order sent. Now if I go into my portfolio, oh, that's the order executed already, which is good. So Royal Dutch Shell, £81. You can see already it's minus 6 pence, but that's fine. I'm quite happy to sit with it. What I will show you here is obviously with Trading 212 you get quite a good breakdown on the companies that you're investing in. You can look at all your ratios, so your price to earning ratios, growth ratios, debt ratios, etc. And I do like them. Dividend yield there you can see is high, is good, but bear in mind that they did recently announce they were cutting the dividend, and that's part of the reason the stock price has dramatically fallen. But I believe when things get back to being good, they will reinstate the dividends, etc. And they are one of the larger oil companies, so I'm quite happy with that. So we'll wait and see what happens with Royal Dutch Shell, and we'll see, and I will update you in due course. So as you saw there, guys, I've bought shares in Shell, and I was conscious to make sure I bought the shares from Shell, which floats on the London Stock Exchange and not in the Netherlands, because they treat your dividends differently. They'll actually pay the tax in the Netherlands before giving you the dividend. Just one thing to be conscious of and bear in mind is when you're buying, make sure you're happy where you're buying from. So as you saw there, the price dipped as soon as I bought it, but let's see what happens. So it's been about 10 minutes. Now let's go back into the app and see how the Shell share price is standing at the moment. Now this will highlight to you just how volatile share prices can be. When I bought them, they dropped. Let's go in the app and see what the share price is like now. It's only been 10 minutes. Okay guys, so we're back in the app here. It's only been 10 minutes, and this is just to give you a flavour of how stock prices can change so quickly. So we're back in the app. Let's go into my portfolio here. We'll have a look. Right, so Royal Dutch, you know I just bought that about 10 minutes ago. So it was down. Now, as I've been watching it, it was up 20 pence per share. Not a lot of money, but it was still up. Even though when I first bought them they were down. So just give you an idea of how quickly a share price can change. My American Airlines are down there, but that's expected because of obviously Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway have sold off a lot of their equity in that firm. I'm quite happy. That's what I tend to do, is buy in dips. No, just to give you an idea of how the price can change so quick. That is the stock market for you, and obviously it's in pence. That's the London Stock Exchange. They tend to do their share prices in pennies, so it's not £1,300, it's £13. So as you saw there, the share price has gone up slightly. I mean, we're talking pennies, but it has gone up since I bought it. So just to show you, in the last 15 minutes, I bought it at one price, but when I bought it, it dropped to below. Already it's gone back up. So that's how quickly share prices are always changing. And that's why it's really important that when you buy shares, you make sure that you're investing in companies that you're happy with. Make sure you're totally feeling that you know what you're talking about and that you're confident, and it's not going to flop. But like I say, I like to exploit the dips, and that's why I'm buying at the moment. So we'll keep it going, and maybe I'll post a new video in the future updating how they're going. Let me know below how you guys are getting on and what your thoughts are. Keep safe, enjoy investing. So I really hope you enjoyed that video there. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you think. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, and please remember to hit subscribe and you'll get all my latest videos. All the best guys, I'm Dunc and I love money, so should you.